We're going to check out this lav microphone for your cell phone or digital camera. We'll be right back. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So my son asked me, he says, Dad, is this going to get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating? And I said, it sure will. This, my friends, is incredible. It's just a lav microphone. It has a 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch jack on it. It's designed for your digital SLR and is designed for your cell phone. I did a really quick test and I couldn't believe it. All right, check 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. I wonder how well this microphone picks up. I'll be really shocked. It'd be amazing if this thing works. This is an omnidirectional microphone. It does have a button cell battery to use it for amplification. So what we're going to do, so you actually can hear it and see what this thing can do, I'm actually going to record it on my cell phone, and we're going to just do the normal test that I normally do. So this is really cool because now I have the ability to either use 2 different cameras. I'm using the Note 9 here with the lav on here. I mean, it's kind of silly to have 2 separate, you know, you have 1 camera here, you have another camera there. I mean, it's kind of silly to go back and forth, but the ability is there. I think this microphone, the name of the company, I wish I could pronounce it. I hope I can. It's Maono, M-A-O-N-O. Who knows if I'm even saying it right. I like the fact that it does come with a spare battery. This is it's an LM44. So if it's the same battery that you use for your micrometers, you know. So this is great. So this is a really great product. I can't believe, finally. The model number of this is an AU101 Lavalier microphone. It's designed for the smartphone, camcorder, PC, or digital SLR. This is a must-have microphone for such thing if you need it wired. I believe it deserves the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. For one, it's crystal clear. I already did a preliminary test on it, and I think it's awesome. It's great. This is a great product. It's incredible. I love it. We're using it in the car all the time. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Actually, I decided to connect it to the Zoom. So now this is actually connected. So I found something out very interesting. The amplification is designed and needed only for the Zoom. Okay, I believe it doesn't have the necessary, it can't work without some sort of power. So it's like almost acting like phantom power per se to be used with this. I'm hoping it sounds good. I have no idea. I tried to adjust the volume as best I could because I want this to be as real as it can get. You know what I mean? I don't want any trickery or anything going on. So if the volume is low, I might have to crank it up. You know what? I think it is actually. Let's crank it up a little bit more. Check 1 2 3 4 5 6. There we go. 7 8 9. All right. So that may have worked.